Marshall. Sorry I'm late.
Hey, Stan, how you doing?
I was working on the summer sale.
No surprises there.
Did you get that box I sent you?
I did get a box. It says this side up.
Open it.
Yeah, do I have... I got some scissors here. So I just open it.
Yeah. It's been crazy over here. Everything's 20% off right now. Courses, brushes, model packs. It's a lot to manage, you know?
Okay. I'm scared. Oh, hey! This is great! This is like poison apples, right? And it says read out loud.
Yeah. Read it.
I'm going to read it. Save 20% on my perspective course, drawing basics, courses on painting, sculpting, and more during the Proko summer sale with the code SUMMER SALE from now until July 6th.
Flip it over.
Also, I am old.
Yeah, you are. Oh, all right. Well, head over to Proko.com, use code SUMMERSALE.